Welcome to the Iron 65 experience, where luxury and modern design meet in Newark's Ironbound district.
Join us on this exclusive tour of our brand new building featuring 135 units, each tailored to those looking to live, work, and play.
Iron 65 offers an array of state-of-the-art amenities, including we have multiple saunas, a soaking bath, a gym, and a yoga studio.
With breathtaking views of New York City, 2 blocks away from Newark Penn Station and only 3 miles from the Newark Airport, Iron 65 surely is the place for you to call home.
Contact us today to get on our pre-listing waiting list.